Hello, my name is Jason Vo, and I'm the JWSC Capital Projects Manager and your host of The Flow Show. Currently, the JWSC has around 16 active construction projects that we manage. I want to report our progress on 3 of them. First up is the North Mainland Water Loops construction. Four Waters Engineering, Inc. out of Jacksonville, Florida designed this project, and Valancourt Construction Company out of Green Cove Springs is performing the work. The project involves installing a new 10-inch water main crossing Golden Isles Parkway at the intersection of Perry Lane Road and Millennium Boulevard, a 12-inch water line along Bailey Road, O. Jessup Road, and Hatala, and a 16-inch water line under 2 water crossings along O. Jessup Road. In addition, we will provide water service for future tie-ins along the project limits to the underserved communities and strategically place isolation valves for maintenance and safety purposes. The water loop construction aims to connect the existing independent water system to successfully allow for numerous pathways that water can follow from the JWSC water production facilities to the customer. By keeping the water moving, the looping pattern reduces continuing issues associated with the water stagnation at the waterline dead ends, provides adequate system pressure, and increases fire flow protection. The most common water distribution failures are water main breaks. The water main breaks can cause significant service outage and water contamination. Corroded pipes and quick changes in the system pressure, extreme temperature changes, construction incident, or age can cause these ruptures. During the water main break, strategically located water valves are critical to isolate the breaks, prevent contamination within the pipes, and maintain service to areas outside the break area. A lack of isolation valves can cause a complete system shutdown and temporary boil water advisories until testing the water sample from the affected zone deems the water safe again. The Valancourt Construction Company is performing ahead of schedule, working exceptionally well for us, and we hope to see them consider doing more work in the Golden Isles. Several crews are working on the final site restoration along Bailey Road, installing the water line along O. Jessup and Hatala Viva open cut, and performing trenchless directional drill boring underneath Golden Isles Parkway. Based on the latest construction schedule, the work is anticipated to be completed by June 2024. Completing this project will assist the JWSC in achieving the water system upgrades within the North Mainland District, which will result in significant and necessary improvements to the reliability and efficiency of the system. Here are some 2023 nuggets about the JWSC water that we maintain and operate. 3.01 billion gallons of clean water treated and pumped, 628 new service locations established in the Glynn County, 697 new meters were installed to bring new customers online, 16.9 million in capital project work was completed in the past year, 49,883 transactions were handled in the customer service lobby at the main office. Next up is the Pump Station 4044 Rehabilitation Project. LEA engineered this project from Valdosta, Georgia, and the contract is Popco from Albany, Georgia, which will be constructing this rehab project. Pump Station 4044 address 130 Altama connector is in the North Mainland District. While normal wear and tear is typical, all pump stations will eventually be due for repairs and replacement. The JWSC is taking proper steps to reduce and eliminate premature deterioration of the pump station, which will save money down the road. This project's scope of work primarily includes the following: demolition of existing sewer stations, equipment and accessories, security fencing and related site work, new precast concrete sewer station with piping, equipment, and electrical upgrades, retrofit the wet well and convert the private sewer station to a manhole. Temporary sewer flow bypassing will ensure no service interruptions to the surrounding communities. These improvements will ensure the station complies, reduces maintenance costs, and provides long-term capacity to accommodate future growth. The contractor is working on the project submittals and securing the materials for the project. The major construction activities will start right after Atlanta Gas Light Company relocates the existing gas line outside the project limits, so the contractor can install the dewatering system for the planned deep excavation. The construction details are still being worked out, but the project is estimated to be completed by the end of September 2024. Finally, there is the Dunbar Creek Water Pollution Control Facility Rehab Project, a progressive design-build project by Hussey Gay Bell, a civil engineering firm from Savannah, Georgia, and BRW Construction Group, LLC, a construction company headquartered in Garden City, Georgia. The odor control system and the headwork improvements covers are installed and working effectively to minimize the sewer odors. The aeration basin number 2 rehab is back online, and the contractor will build similar enhancement to the aeration basin number 1, including new diffusers and a new aeration mixer and new controls. The post-aeration chamber structural modification and electrical installations are nearing completion. The contractor is performing their final checks on the filtering UV system installation, and startup is anticipated by the end of the month. The team's next step is to improve the existing sewer flow controls, increase system capacity by constructing a new clarifier, and make roadway improvements. What is a clarifier, you ask? A clarifier is also known as the sediment tank. It's settling a tank built with mechanical means for continuous improving solids and floatable components such as scum, oil, and grease from the sewer water in the wastewater treatment process. The JWSC has 2 clarifiers at the Dunbar Creek Treatment Plant, 6 at Academy Creek, and 2 at Southport Treatment Plant near exit 29 along Interstate 95. Overall, the contractor has done a very lovely job for us at the Dunbar Creek plant, and we are pleased with the progressive design build approach. The project is on schedule and anticipated to be completed by the end of August 2024. So there you have it. Our 3 main projects in this field for this quarter are North Mainland Water Loops construction, Pump Station 4044 Rehabilitation Project, Dunbar Creek Water Pollution Control Facility Rehab. I hope to see you on the next project updates. Happy holidays and a happy new year. Thank you for your time, and know that every day the staff of the JWSC is here to serve you.